With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
If A, B, C are distinct odd integers and omega is non-real cube root of unity, then the minimum value of mod of A omega square plus B plus C omega is equal to. So we start this question by writing. We know that value of omega square is equal to minus 1 minus root 3i divided by 2. Value of omega is equal to minus 1 plus root 3i divided by 2. Okay. So now we'll put the value of omega square and omega. This equation will get. So the question given to us is A omega square plus C omega. So put the value of omega square and omega. This equation, so we'll get mod of A into minus 1 minus root 3i divided by 2 plus B plus C into minus 1 plus root 3i divided by 2. Okay, we have to mod of this. So now we will open this and we'll get the real part as minus a by 2 plus b minus c by 2 plus iota, which is imaginary part, minus root 3 a by 2 plus root 3 c by 2. Okay, so now this is the mod. So now we solve it further by taking LCM. Here we'll get mod of 2b minus a minus c divided by 2 plus iota, taking root 3 by 2 common, c minus a. Okay, so now solving it further we'll get, so now we'll take half common from this term and we'll get, and we'll open the value of mod. So we'll get under root of 2b minus a minus c whole square plus 3 into c minus a whole square. So now we'll solve it further and we'll open the bracket which is given to us. So we'll get, by opening this bracket we'll get 4b square plus a square plus c square minus 4ab plus 2ac minus 4bc plus 3c square plus 3a square minus 6ac. Okay, so now we solve it further and we'll get half of under root of 4a square plus 4b square plus 4c square minus 4ab minus 4ac minus 4bc. Okay, as you can see, minus 4bc minus 4ab minus 4ac. Okay, so now we can write this equation as, now by taking 4 common from this term, so we'll get under root 4 common, so 2 by 2. Okay, and left part will be under root of a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ac. 2 will cancel out each other. Okay, so now we can write this equation as under root of half into a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square. Okay, so if we open this terms, we'll get twice of a square b square c square minus twice of ab minus bc minus ac. So 2 will cut out 2 and we'll get the same equation as is upwards. Okay, so now as we know that we have to find the minimum value of this equation. So this value will be minimum when a is equal to b is equal to c, because then all of these terms will cancel out each other, we will get the minimum term. But now since we are given that a, b, c are distinct odd integers, so this means that a, b and c can't be equal. Okay, so now what we'll do is we'll take the smallest odd integers. So smallest odd integers are a is equal to 1, b is equal to 3, c is equal to 5. Okay, since we have to find the minimum value, so we'll take the smallest odd integers. So now we'll get under root of half into a minus b, which is 1 minus 3 whole square plus b minus c, which is 3 minus 5 whole square plus 5 minus 1 whole square, okay, which will equal to under root of half into 4 plus 4 plus 16, okay, which will give us under root of half into 24, which will give us under root 12. So our answer is under root 12.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.